I almost bought more Vidu AI credits on my first day. Then I stopped myself, and honestly, I'm glad I did, because after using Vidu AI for a while, I realized there are a few things nobody tells you before you start spending money. The demos look incredible. Cinematic videos, smooth animations, crazy camera movements. Everything looks like Hollywood suddenly became affordable. And that's exactly why people get excited. I got excited too. So I signed up and started generating videos. The first few results were honestly impressive. Some clips looked way better than I expected. The motion was smooth, the scenes felt dynamic, and for a moment I thought, okay, this changes everything. Then reality kicked in. I started generating more videos. Some were great, some were just okay, and a few were complete misses. That's the first thing nobody tells you. AI video generation is not consistent. One prompt can look amazing, and the next one can look completely different. And every time you generate something, you're spending credits. That part matters. A lot. The second thing I learned is that prompts matter more than people think. I assumed I could type a quick sentence and get exactly what I wanted. Nope. The better my prompts became, the better my results became, which means beginners usually burn through credits much faster. I definitely did. Then I started treating credits differently. Instead of generating 10 random ideas, I planned my prompts carefully. Suddenly, my credits lasted much longer. That's probably the biggest mistake new users make. They treat credits like they're unlimited. They're not. The next thing that surprised me was who benefits the most from Vidu AI. Content creators, marketing agencies, small businesses, startup founders, people who need short, eye-catching videos quickly. For those users, even one great clip can be worth the credits. I could easily see people using Vidu AI for ads, product launches, YouTube intros, and social media content. But if you're expecting every generation to be perfect, you'll probably end up frustrated and maybe spending more money than you planned. Now, is Vidu AI bad? Not at all. Actually, I think it's one of the more exciting AI video tools right now. But it's also one of those tools where expectations matter. You're not buying guaranteed results, you're buying the ability to experiment. Sometimes you'll create something incredible. Sometimes you'll generate 3 versions before getting what you want. That's just part of the process. So here's my honest advice before buying Vidu AI credits. Start small, learn how prompting works, test different styles, figure out what the platform is good at before spending a lot of money. Because the real secret isn't having more credits, it's knowing how to use the credits you already have. And honestly, that's the part nobody tells you. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.